welcome to Sridhar Study Studio channel. Hi friends, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಶ್ರೀನುಜ. This is my first video in YouTube channel. Today in this video we will learn a speech on Teachers Day. So let's start. Good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and all my dear friends. I wish you all very happy Teachers Day. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September every year in India. This day is celebrated on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of India. He was an ideal teacher and a great scholar. Teachers' Day is a best way for students to express love and respect for their teachers. Teachers make our future bright. He helps us to become a good human beings. On this day, I want to thank you to all my teachers for all your effort and dedication. Thank you.